Hi, this is Nick and I'm with Atlantic Laser Scanning. Today we're going to continue our workflow series on collecting drone Lidar data. In today's video, we've got Seth Berry from Global Hawk Maps who's going to show us how to set up the base unit and ground control points that are necessary to increase the accuracy of the data that we receive from the Hesai Lidar unit that we have available here at Atlantic Laser Scanning.
We are setting up our base. Before we do anything else, we get our survey tripod, we get it aligned on a known point, we get our base set up, and we will show you how to get it to start logging and recording pretty soon. Now we're going to get our ground control points set up. Once we get all of our ground control points set up and nailed down, we can take our rover around and get our measurements, and we can show you how to do that shortly. What we're going to do in the phone, if you're using the Emlid that you have received from Atlantic Laser Scanning, we're going to open up our Emlid Flow app. We're going to see our base. And we're going to click on base, open that up. Check the status, see how many satellites we have. It says we have satellites in view 28. Personally, I'm happier when it's over 30, but that's just because I'm spoiled. Our current coordinates and precision are reading fine. Let's see, I'm not connected to a rover at the moment, so we don't need corrections. Now, if you're not familiar with it, you've got to go into logging and tell it to start recording. Personally, myself, I tell it to record all settings, just in case there's a file I needed after the fact, as again, it's better to have too much data rather than not enough. Now that we have the drone turned on, we have not turned on the XT32 Lidar unit yet. That is a separate task. Okay, so we've got everything here ready to go, and the Lidar unit's about ready to be turned on. But we want to make sure that we started the recording on our base station.